In this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote your affiliate links completely for free, so you can get commissions like this paid to you without having to spend any money on advertising. This is the method that I've done, and I'm going to scroll down here and show you that this program here has made me $1,778. I've got another program here where if we scroll down, in total it's made me $50,000, and here I've got another $1,100 earned. So this video is going to show you how you can promote affiliate links completely for free from someone who actually promotes affiliate links for free. I've never spent a penny on advertising. Here's how you do it for free. Now, this program here, and this one here, they all have one thing in common, and that is they're all online affiliate programs. So these are all products which are online products which we can sell and people can buy without having to get anything shipped to their house. Now, a lot of people, when they start affiliate marketing, they start with the Amazon affiliate program, and while that's good for beginners, selling a product without actually having access to that product is quite hard, and the commissions on Amazon products really aren't that high anyway. If you pick an online product, you're going to have way higher commissions. Now, this product here and this one here, these are both VPNs. A VPN stands for a virtual private network. So I'll show you on Affiliate Groove here. This is the program which I've made 50,000 in total on. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this link here. And this is going to go to Ipvanish. Now, if you don't know what a VPN is a way that you can protect your online identity. It's a way that you can change locations virtually. And people use it to stay safe online, to hide their passwords in public, and to change their location on Netflix and things like that. Now, what you want to do to promote your affiliate links, first you obviously need to find an affiliate program, and I would recommend you find a program which is an online based program. Now, once you've got your online based program, what you then need to do, you need to go to a website called obsproject.com. Now, on this website, we can download what's called a screen recorder. So if you haven't used OBS before, you can download it for Windows, Mac or Linux completely for free, and you can use it to record your computer screen. And this is very important. With this screen recorder downloaded, you can record and make a video showing people how to use your online product. And this is something that you can only do with online products, which is why I recommend it. Once you've got your screen recorder downloaded, you can now create how-to videos which show people around that product. Now, here's how you do that. When you've got your product, you're going to need to think, who is going to use that product and why do they want to use it? You need an angle to get people to go and click on your link and buy it. Now, in this case here, I'm promoting ExpressVPN, which again is another VPN like Ipvanish. Now, people use ExpressVPN to stay safe online, to hide their password in public, and to change their location on Netflix. So I went with the changing the location audience here. So what I did is I created a tutorial video which shows people how they can change their location to watch other countries' Netflix. So if I go and search on Netflix, how to change Netflix country, you can see here my videos are going to come up. So if I scroll down here, you can see my video here, KnowledgeBase, which is the channel you're watching this video on, how to change country on Netflix on Android. That video has 20,000 views, and it's just a simple screen recording of my Android phone. This video example is obviously on the phone, and I've obviously used a Android screen recorder, but if your program is web-based and on the computer, again, you would use OBS Studio. Now, this here is just a simple screen recording with me speaking over it. And if we go to analytics of this video, you can see here that this video gets views every single day, sending targeted free traffic to ExpressVPN. So if we just go ahead and filter this by lifetime, you can see this video has been getting me 50 to 100 views every single day, with some days here spiking to 300 views, and it's sending targeted traffic to ExpressVPN. If I go back here, again, it's just a simple screen recording of me showing people how they can use the VPN to go and change their country on Netflix. And then in the description, I literally put my affiliate link to ExpressVPN. When they go and buy it, I then get a commission, $36 commission, $13, $13. And that's how I'm able to make passive income and send free traffic to my affiliate links. And that is the method that I recommend to you guys as well.